everyone, and welcome to day 4 of my 30-day Phonics Boost. Well done for coming back. Just think how much improvement you have made over the last 3 days. And if you stick with me, just think how much you're going to keep on improving. So let's give you that Phonics Boost and let's turn our phonics brains on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. So our 5 sounds that we've been exploring this week. You're already becoming a phonics superhero. I don't think I need to say them. Do you? Let's give it a try. And I think you can get even faster. Are we ready? Do you think we can go faster? I think you can. Oh, amazing. Well done, you. Right, the sound that we are going to be focusing on today is our D sound. Now, our D sound is a short sound. D, 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 D. Excellent. Now I know you can definitely say the sound. Let's find some objects that start with the D sound. So, phonics superheroes, you know what to do. We've got my magic box, and inside are going to be some objects that start with the D sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them. Are we ready? Oh dear, nothing in there again. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? We say hocus pocus phonics focus. Your turn. Excellent. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's have a look. Yay! Now remember, thumbs up if it starts with the D sound, thumbs down if not. Are we ready? Dog. Yes. Star. No. Dinosaur. Yes. Microphone. No. Duck. Yes. Right, let's put them all back in and then I'm going to pull them out and let's see if you can give me a thumbs up or thumbs down and we're going to get a bit quicker. Are we ready? Oh, well done, phonics superheroes. Right, let's time to focus on our listening and move on to our oral blending. Right, phonics superheroes, you know what to do for our oral blending. I'm going to sound out some words that use the D sound. I'm going to sound each word out 2 times and I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? D, O, G. D, O, G. Dog. D, A, D. D, A, D. Dad. Well done. D, I, G. D, I, G. Dig. Excellent. Your oral blending skills are really getting better. Well done. Right, my phonics superheroes and reading superstars. For our new D words, I'm going to sound them out first, then it's going to be your turn. Are we ready? D, O, G. Dog. Your turn. Dog. D, A, D. Dad. Your turn. Dad. D, I, G. Dig. Your turn. Dig. Excellent. Now we've done them together once. just you this time. Are you ready? Dog. Dad. Dig. Excellent. Now, I think you are up for a challenge. Are you ready for today's challenge word? Look how long that is. Now, this word is dustpan. Now, you might have heard of a dustpan and brush for when you're doing your cleaning. Now, this part here is the dustpan that you sweep all of the dust into. So, for our really long challenge word, I'm going to sound it out first. D-U-S-T-P-A-N. Dustpan. Your turn. Dustpan. Amazing. That really was a challenge. I want you to do it again. Dustpan. Excellent. Well done, you. Right, now it's time for a rewind, and we're going to do some of the words that we have looked at over the last couple of days. So, for these words, I want just you to sound them out. Are you ready? Mat. Mop. Excellent. Now for this word, we've already looked at it 2 times. So I'm going to show you and see if you can just read it. Are you ready? Sat. Well done. Let's sound it out and blend it. Just you. Sat. Excellent. Now we're going to move on to our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is A. Now, when we see the letter A in phonics, we often make the A sound if it's in a word. For example, a-n-t makes ant. But when it's a word all by itself, we say A. For example, you might say, I saw a cat. I saw a dog. A. My turn. A. A. Excellent. Let's have a look at some of the tricky words we've been working on the last couple of days. Can you remember this one? I. Excellent. Can you remember this one? Two. Excellent. Right, I'm going to put our new one, A, in with these ones. Just you now. Want to hear you? Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Oh, start with this one. Excellent. Right, if you didn't quite get them, I'll say them first. I. 2. A. Excellent. Brilliant reading. Right, we are nearly at the end of day 4. Well done for all your hard work. Let's go through our 5 focus sounds. I'm going to say them, then you're going to say them, then I'm going to take some away. Are we ready? S, A, M, D, T. Your turn. Excellent, well done. Now I'm going to take some away. Let's see which one's missing. Which one was missing? Ah, well done. Which one am I going to take this time? Let's see. Are we ready? Which one was missing? T. Well done. And let's see. What one's missing? Which one was it? S. Well done. And that's it. Day 4 is finished. Well done, you. I hope you are feeling so proud of yourself. I'm sure your phonics skills are getting much better, and I hope you're getting that confidence boost. Let's give you a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. And I can't wait to see you for day 5. Bye!